you in there?
Yeah. Hey, Micah, I'm actually making you some.
About to make what?
So it's soy sauce, water, and
I'm
like.
down. Okay.
Oh, what the fuck?
So you got a bacon cheeseburger here, salad on the side. Now I gotta tell you a story about the macaroni and cheese. Macaroni and cheese, I used oil, but the oil was old, so it's a little funky. So if you don't want it, I will not be offended if you throw that shit out. I gave it to her and she said, oh fuck no, I need that. So,
hold on, let me check. I'm like, the thing is, I don't really eat a lot of American food, so you know what? Even if it's bad, I like it. I like American food.
Well, either way, I asked her what it was. She's like, that oil was fucking bad. But meanwhile, I use some. I know it's not gonna.
You guys have a finer palate with.
I know it's not gonna get you sick, but it does taste a little funky. You say nay, we throw it out. So like I said, I won't get offended. If I see
it
this
does
in the
have
trash,
a funky. It has a funky taste.
It does. Throw that shit out.
Yeah, I'm so sorry.
Nah, you're all good. That's why I came with the story. But
The taste isn't bad, but there is.
Nah, it's fucking funky, dog. No disrespect. You didn't want that though.
Yeah, but
You might want that for the salad or no? Wipe that shit out and use that.
Yeah. Hey, so I'll make this and I'll send it over.
Sounds
it's
great.
Just like, yeah.
Appreciate you.
For sure. It's a pork belly. And I'm cooking it really well done, so you won't get salmonella. Oh, for sure. Thank you. Yeah. Oh. Dude, he's a good cook. And that was all recorded. I'll send you the video. Oh, that's not bad. It would be funny if that would be like the food beginning, where you know in a Home Improvement, that TV show, when Al Bundy or Tim Bundy would go to the fence and you saw his neighbor and you like never saw his face, you just saw like half of it. That could be the skit, like I don't know, that could be a skit. And it'll be like an interaction of people and it could be like random conversations, like talking about like religion. It's like, hey Micah, yeah David, you wanna talk about God? All you see is like his legs. And what would be funnier is you don't know how tall he is. And then like let's say like 3 months later, or like you ever meet him, he's like, yeah, I'm the Micah character. He's like, dude, you're 6'3". It's like, what the fuck? Attention grabber. You would never expect that guy. All you see is like is 6'3". Show would be, it would be the same exact thing, but him outside the tent, and all you see is like my knee. Me cooking. Something like this. Okay. So Micah, this is his burger. I really hope it doesn't have pickles, but I'm just gonna go for it. Oh, wow. It's cooked very nicely. I wouldn't show my food like up close like this because I don't care, but dude, this is really nice. Oh, I can say this now. His social media is Realness Buddy. Or the Realness Dude? Hold on, fuck. Hold on. Fucking delicious! It's fucking delicious! Oh, fucking They're fucking good. Oh, wow. The bacon's a thick cut, so it's really nice, especially inside a burger. Sometimes it's good if it's crispy, but this bacon is thick, so it's like hearty. And then the beef, I think this is yeah, there's no way he made this patty. It's too perfect. But yeah, good hamburger, good char, tomato fresh. Oh, remember, he's doing this outside a van, like a camper van. And hold on, before I forget, what? If I... Dude, that's a sick show too. Like people like who camp and they like just like see what best like luxury cuisine they can make out of a camper van, and that'd be like a competition. Because definitely the camper lifestyle, overlanding and like trekking and everything in like nature is definitely getting more popular. You know what? I disagree. I'll correct my own statement. At this day and age right now, due to the population increase, even though we are headed towards doom, everything is gonna become popular one way or the other. Whoever thought golf would become popular? I never thought golf in a lifetime would become popular. Nobody played golf back then. Everybody plays golf now, it seems. Pretty cool. You know, I'll be honest. You could talk shit about American cuisine. You could talk shit and say we have no food selection. That everything that is American is like just hamburgers and French fries. And even the French fries, well, it's not even, it's chips. But regardless of everything and how boring one food item is, oh, pizza. No, pizza is Italian. America only has one thing, and it's a hamburger, right? The hamburger is the best. So who cares if we have one thing? We have the best thing. And that's why there's McDonald's everywhere. Everybody loves the hamburger. Ask anyone in the world, what's more American than a cheeseburger? Nothing. If people see what I do, you can do what I do. Do you think the world is so big that I can only get people? With this equation, it's consistency. If you just post 5 videos a day of whatever you do, due to humanity, in due time, you will become famous. But you have to put in the work. You have to become great at something, whatever it may be. And if you spend an hour a day at something, whatever it may be, one day you will get there. And that's reality. Fuck all the other countries, USA. No, I'm just kidding. I'm so sorry. The funny thing is, I don't think in thoughts anymore. I think in ideas, so I already know the plan. Like I knew it as soon as I bit into this bird. But he's very friendly. He can go up to anyone and be like, hello, hi. What if he just goes around making people food? And then you get the reaction. Like, yeah, I made it out of this camper. That's like, the variables of that equation is per people at campsite, to whoever he chooses to give food to how he can record that set, to how he can consistently post it on YouTube in a rhythm, and then match the times and schedule it, and continue that for 1 month. In due time, Micah will become famous. burger is so good.